Tom 600 code 6. Hi.
Okay.
What's your license?
I don't have it on me.
You have any ID on you?
Why am I getting pulled over?
I'm at 600 West Camelback, or excuse me, Indian School Road.
Why am I getting pulled over?
Is this your car?
No.
Bravo John Sam
Why am I getting pulled over?
5455. Do you have ID on you?
No. Why am I getting pulled over?
Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse me!
Put your hands behind your back!
No!
Put your hands behind your back! Stop! 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 Hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Stop! Hands behind your back! Tom 600. Give me another unit.
Why are you arresting me?
I'm asking for your ID. You said you don't have any ID.
Can I get it? It's in my car!
You said you didn't have ID.
I do! What did I do?
Give me your arm.
Let me get my car!
Give me your arm. Stop. Stop. Give me your arm. Put your arm. Give me your arm.
What did I do?
You were in the wrong lane. You were in opposite lane of travel.
I wasn't!
Give me your ID.
No, I wasn't!
Give me your arm, please.
You're hurting me!
Give me your arm.
Help!
Give me your arm. Give me your hand.
I can't do this! I did nothing wrong, sir!
Stop.
What the hell did I do?
You were in opposing
What did I
lane.
do? No, I wasn't!
Yes, you were.
Why did you tackle me? Leave my phone!
I'm locking it. Stop.
I don't know why you're doing this. What did I do?
Another unit,
It's not past 6 o'clock. It's past 6 o'clock. What did I do? What did I do? You tackled me for no reason.
We're 17 from 24th and Campbell. 10-4. Oh, yes. And no response from Tom 600 after requesting another unit. He gave 600 West Indian School Road. License plate to the vehicle was John Sam 5455. I'm not getting anything back for it.
I'm no harm. I can
Tom 600.
cooperate
I've got her
with you.
detained, but she's real uncooperative.
I
Stand up. Stand up.
It's in the car.
Okay, well then you should have told me that. You could have given it to me. Stop arguing. Stop. Stop. Why don't you act like a young lady?
You're
Stop.
handling me.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to
You
get you.
slammed my head.
Stop.
Why am I in handcuffs? Why am I? I don't know.
I have another officer coming. We'll put you in the car.
Can't believe
You can relax.
You're
You can calm
hurting my
down.
wrist, and it's gonna show, sir.
Good.
Good.
You just need to calm down. Excuse me?
I said nothing. I said, why did you arrest me?
I explained it.
But it's not past 6 o'clock. So what did I do wrong?
It's not past what, 6 o'clock?
It's past 6 o'clock. So what did I do wrong?
What's 6 o'clock have to do with
I could
anything?
be in the turning lane.
You were in the southbound. You were southbound in the northbound number 1 lane.
No, I
You're in
wasn't.
the wrong lane of travel.
Show proof.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't know why I'm being detained for, sir.
Because you refused to give me ID.
But you said I was closed in the wrong lane. I just turned left. My ID's in the car, sir.
Okay. We're gonna have her have a seat in your vehicle because she's just loud and make sure she doesn't have anything in her jacket pocket.
Can you guys please record this?
It's recorded.
Recording, no worries. You got any weapons on you? That's all I'm looking for is weapons.
We got body cams. Have a seat.
Go for Mike.
Hey, I'm out here on Indian School. I don't know if you heard it.
That the 101, yeah, saying her head's bleeding or something?
Yeah, the DUI, and she does. She's got blood on her hand, but it's because she was sitting there wiping it over and over again. But she's got about maybe a quarter to, it's not a half inch, so just about a quarter-inch cut on the top of her head. It might need a stitch. She's got you can tell she probably bumped her head on the ground when he took her to the ground. So I'm going to do the use of force for McGillis, And then
yeah, there was no strikes or anything. It's more like just like an injured prisoner, right?
oh yeah, she was she was freaking out about it, and when he actually had to take her to the ground, I think it was either that or when he had to try to push her up against the car. So she's like super emotional, super Looney Tunes.
You're breaking up. I can only hear like every other word. So what's she in custody for?
DUI.
Theft?
DUI.
Oh, DUI? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get her checked out. Let's make sure we do photos and stuff. Yeah, like you said, we'll do the injured prisoner / use force just to see why ourselves.
Yeah.
There's nothing. I mean, when we get, is she alleging any misconduct or anything, or is she just complaining about the injury?
She thinks she was kind of manhandled or whatever, but I don't think it's. I'm getting ready to review the body camera right now. She's super all over the place.
Okay, no, that's what I was going to say. Let's just make sure we review the camera, make sure it looks good to go, and then we'll do the use of force, just to see why everybody, cover them.
Yep.
But, yep, no, sounds good. Keep me posted.
All right, sounds good.